PG.
Ganda-ganda ni Emma,
My
nakakaloka.
backlit and crown and concept. Pero of course, kanina umaga magkausap ako kami ni Iyo. Talagang nakabantay, nakasubaybay, at yung support na natuloy. Ibang klase. Siguro kaya ganun siya kagaan. Nakikita niyo naman sa mga enjoy ko din talaga every week.
Tapos ang fresh mo tignan, tapos ang dami mo, despite ang dami mong mga pasabog, paandar, nakipag-collaborate ka sa mga drag artists like
Pangina
Yeah.
from Thailand.
How did it all come about? Lahat yun nagawa mo within the span of few weeks before ka dumating
Kaya
dito.
ayan, wala na tayong boses. Pero magaling na rin naman na tayo. Boses lang ang mawawala, pero ang pasabog, hindi.
Mas marami ka pa bang pasasabugin, Emma?
Mas marami pa. We're just on the day.
Parang ang sarap-sarap mong ipaglaban. Grabe ka. Anong meron kay Emma Tiglaw?
Ito, Emma Tiglaw itself.
Sana all.
We're all unique in our own way. Siguro, yung fighting spirit na meron tayo, yun siguro yung nakikita nyo, nag-radiate. Kaya, ang sarap lang din ipaglaban ang Pilipinas. Di naman mahirap ipaglaban ang Pilipinas.
Go proud.
How do you feel that you also have a lot of Thai fans?
You know what? I'm so happy to meet them yesterday. The moment I arrived in the hotel, talagang nandun sila, nakasubaybay. They're there outside, and then some of them gave gifts to me, and I'm so touched, really. They teach me like Thai words like Chan Rak Kun. I love you. I'm learning slowly.
Their early prediction, kasi they're saying that your roommates with Miss Thailand,
Yeah.
they're gonna be final two. How do you feel about that?
I'm so excited and I'm so happy if we're gonna be the final two. I'm praying for that because, you know, Gotchabel is really kind and really sweet. She's like my baby sister. So, if ever, I hope that we will be on the final two spot.
Nako, pasabog yan.
Alam
Nako,
mo-
Emma, wait lang. Ang dami-dami, ang ganda-ganda mo ngayon.
Thank
Sinong
you.
designer mo ngayon?
La Rosa Studio by Jason Castillo.
Tama.
Bragais for my shoes.
Hindi ko may ano. Wait lang.
And Vico for my style.
Ang ganda. Pakita mo yung shoes mo. Pak, kabong guys. So, sino nag-makeup sa'yo?
I did my own makeup.
Oh my God!
I did my own makeup.
Hindi pa pang ano lang, pang finals yan ha. Sandali lang, may mga tanong kasi, yung hair mo kasi, diba, extension siya. Ikaw lang naglalagay niya.
No, I asked help.
Ay, you ask.
But
Pero ang
sometimes ako
ganda-ganda
lang
hair
din.
mo. Ibang-iba ka dyan sa hair mo. Tuloy mo yan.
Emma,
Lalaban natin.
how does it feel like meeting Nawa for the first time? Meron ba kayong mga little conversations in between, in private, or ano yung nakita niyo?
Actually, wala pa kami ng conversation. Pero kanina, when I went outside the elevator, the moment I went outside, I met Miss Teresa. And pinapakilala ko pala yung sarili ko. Like, Emma from the Philippines. Bigla na niya sinabing, mabuhay, you're from the Philippines. Parang nakakatuwa na kilala niya tayo. And then, si Mr. Nawat naman, namit ko siya outside. Yun din, biglang mabuhay. So parang nakaka-touch na nakikita nila yung Pilipinas. We are seen.
So kaya-kaya mo masustain pa yung energy mo hanggang day 21? Day 1 pa lang tayo.
Kayang-kaya magpadala lang po kayo ng Beroka.
Hindi ba tayo mag-fade? Hindi ba tayo mag-fade?
Kakayanin natin hindi. As long as you're there to support me. Sabi ko naman sa inyo di ba? I am here. We are prepared. We prepared for this. And I prayed for this moment. Di ba kapag may answered prayer tayo, the moment that our prayers are answered, yung pinagpipray natin is strength and guidance naman. And the support of our fans.
Well, Emma, so bukod sa sarili mo, sino pa yung dala mo dito sa Thailand sa laban mo sa Miss Grand International?
Siyempre naman, ang mga Pinoy. Actually, hindi lang mga Pinoy, di ba? Lahat ng mga fans, international fans, the moment na I arrived, it's not just Filipinos that I saw and the one who took photos with me, it's international fans. Meron pa yung may banner, meron pa may gift. You know what? I have this Instagram page. It is made by Thai fans, the Emma Tiglaw Thailand. And I was so happy. I met them yesterday and they gave me gifts. Nakakakilig. Iba pala yung feeling ng ganito. And I don't know, it's a different feeling with Miss Grand International. Talaga namang totoo yung sinabi ni CJ noon. Sabi niya, ate, mag-enjoy ka kasi the organizers, the organization, talagang entertaining eh. Iba.
They're very generous.
Very generous talaga, promise.
Especially the
And
organization, di ba?
sobrang alaga.
Papa Nawat and Mama Teresa, they always make sure that not only the candidates but also the staff, the media are talagang taken care of.
Yes,
At
and
hindi tayo nagugutom, Emma. Alam mo yan.
Totoo yan. Totoo
Unang
yan.
araw pa lang, di ba?
Marla Fang.
The organizations, Papa Nawat and Mama Teresa talagang they love all of us, di ba? Talagang
Super. The
they are
media.
very-
The media
and the
people
media
also.
as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alam mo, ramdam na ramdam ko na dalang-dala mo sa puso mo ang mga Pinoy at ang bandera ng Pilipinas. Hindi lang ikaw nakakatuwa yan. Sarap mo ipaglaban, Emma.
Thank you. Because I always say, this is not just my fight. This is our fight. With all the bad news that we are hearing, that we are seeing on the TV, on social media, sana naman, I hope that this one will be a good news for all the Filipinos out there.
And the moment you arrived yesterday, oh my God, all our social media accounts exploded after we uploaded your videos and photos, di ba?
Thank
So,
you,
last
thank
question na lang. Ano to? Napating kasi ako kay Kakos.
Ah,
Muna
may
sa
question.
ano sa
Oh, eto na.
pre-arrival dinner.
Sandali muna. Oo nga. So, eto muna.
Mamaya na.
Ito muna. So Emma, nagbabasa ka ba ng mga ng mga comments, like mga negative comments sa Facebook, sa Instagram, ganyan. How can you handle them?
I don't handle them, as I always say. Anything positive or negative comments, it will affect my competition here. So I don't want to read, but marami nagsasabi sa akin with my close friends, with my team, that I am receiving a good feedback. And with that, I am grateful that all of my hard work, all of our hard work are seen and appreciated by not only Filipino fans, but international fans. And thank you. All I can say is thank you.
Thank you pa na lang sa
po.
mga supporters mo, pati yung mga sumuporta sa'yo from day one, gano'n.
Siguro from day one when I started pageantry, no? You know what?
From 2018, right?
From 24,
Oh.
22. Wag na tayong magsabi.
Ay, nakalimutan na.
Year.
Kasi veterane, o di ba? Tapos bumalik parang, ay naku, ewan ko, Diyosa na lang talaga.
Gusto ko lang
all.
talaga magpasalamat sa lahat. Without your support, hindi naman tayo makakalaban ng ganito katindi dito sa Thailand. You know what, this batch, this year, for Miss Grand International, there are a lot of beautiful girls, a lot of green materials. All of us can get the crown. But I hope the Philippines can get this crown again.
Okay, you get crowned for your friend.
Emma, hindi ko natanong, how do you feel competing with other Filipinas also?
Oh yeah, I met Matea Mahal Smith from Jamaica and New Zealand. I'm so happy that I have Filipino sisters here. And I have like a break in speaking English. Like, wow, I am home. And I'm so happy that they're very supportive also. They're very supportive. We will support each other for this competition. I hope that Filipino Queen will grab the crown of MG.
You just knew about it na when you got here or
No,
before?
actually, I saw a post before I went here. So, hinanap ko talaga sila. I look for them to meet them personally.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you!